The Toyota Proace II, introduced in 2017 and still in production, offers an automatic door mirror folding feature. This folds the exterior mirrors when the vehicle is locked and unfolds them when unlocked, increasing security and preventing damage in tight spaces. This video will show you how to enable or disable this feature. The door mirror folding system operates through the vehicle's body control module, or BCM. This central computer receives signals from the key fob or door locks. The BCM sends commands to electric motors in the mirror housings, powered by the vehicle's 12-volt system. These motors control the folding and unfolding actions. For safety, sensors in the mirrors detect any obstructions during movement, preventing damage. When enabled, the mirrors fold automatically upon locking via remote or key. When disabled, they remain fixed until manually adjusted. If your Proace 2 has Toyota Touch 2, navigate to Vehicle Settings on the infotainment screen. Next, select Mirrors. Finally, toggle the Auto Fold option on or off to enable or disable the feature. On some Proace 2 trims, locate the Mirror Adjustment button on the driver's door panel. Hold the button for 3 to 5 seconds. This will cycle through the available modes: manual, auto fold unlock, and auto fold unlock unlock. For Proace electric variants, the mirror folding setting is integrated with the eToggle app. This allows remote adjustment of the auto fold feature via your smartphone, providing convenient control. This integration is specifically designed for the Proace electric variants, enhancing convenience for electric vehicle owners. Using the eToggle app on your smartphone, you can remotely control the mirror folding feature. The app provides access to remote services for convenient adjustment anytime. The door mirror folding system includes important safety redundancies to prevent damage. First, the folding action is overridden if the mirror is manually adjusted during the process. Second, sensors detect obstacles during folding and immediately stop the motion to avoid collisions. These features prevent damage and ensure compliance with European Union safety standards for vehicle mirrors. The door mirror folding block significantly reduces the risk of mirror damage, especially in urban environments and tight parking spaces where obstacles are common. Fleet operators have seen tangible benefits, with reports of 15% fewer mirror damage claims when auto folding is enabled across their vehicle fleets. However, disabling the feature can be beneficial in specific situations, such as off-road driving, where unfolded mirrors improve visibility, or when using aftermarket towing mirrors that require manual adjustment. Looking ahead, future Proace 2 models will incorporate AI-driven customization for the mirror folding feature. Through machine learning and over-the-air updates, the system will learn your driving habits and automatically adjust settings, such as disabling folding in rural areas where it's less necessary. The feature will also integrate with advanced driver assistance systems, allowing mirror folding to synchronize with parking sensors and autonomous parking modes. This reduces manual intervention and enhances safety in urban environments. In electric models, expect more energy-efficient motors with advanced designs that minimize power draw. These innovations will consume less than 0.5% of battery capacity per folding cycle, aligning with sustainability goals and projecting a 10% increase in adoption. Together, these trends enhance the Proace 2's overall functionality, making it more efficient and user-friendly for today's commercial and delivery requirements.